welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how to see your liked posts and reels in your Instagram. So guys, if you want to see all the posts and reels that you have liked on Instagram but you don't know how, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and open your Instagram first. And once you're in your Instagram home, just look at the lower bar where you can find the home button, the search button, the add button, the reels button, and your profile. We just need to go ahead and tap on your profile and you would be shown in this page. Just look at the top right corner with the 3-bar button. Just go ahead and tap here and you're in your settings and activity. You'll find even more options like account center, your saved, account privacy, and many more. You just need to tap on your activity and you'll find the likes, comments, notes, tags, sticker responses, and everything that you have done in your Instagram over here. So since we're trying to find the liked posts and reels, you just need to tap on like, wait for it to load, and guys, there you go. You can see all of the posts and reels that you have liked on your Instagram. Guys, that's how you see liked posts and reels on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.